This is Gasworks Park, right across the river from downtown Seattle. This looks like the Windows XP, the Windows XP background. Over here, that's the old gas steam station where they produce gas. This looks very Final Fantasy like. That's like Final Fantasy VII Shinra's gas company. Over here, that's the other part. And down there, there is a homeless guy sleeping here. Over here, there's a lot of goose here. A lot of geese, flocks of geese. And that's the harbor. Okay. Now I'm gonna walk back down. Wow, look at this. I'm gonna walk down and run it back up. Let's see what's up there. Whew. Wow, this is a nice view. All right, up the hill, Windows XP hill. Wow, I really like this this backdrop here. It's just like Final Fantasy VII, Shinra Gas Company. All right, I'm coming up. Wow, that's downtown Seattle, almost up there. Almost at the top of the mountain. Well, not mountain, but the hill. There's a top view. Here's the harbor over there. And the Coast Guards, Seattle Police, right over there. Whew. That's the Space Needle at the back. That's downtown Seattle. That's the nice blue sky. This is the North Seattle Harbor. Over here is north, south, east, west. Let me see where's north. One, two, three, four, five. Where's it? Oh, there's someone canoeing.